XRP is trading at about $1 per token. This would be a good time to rack up and stack up and get ready for this Clarity Act coming in October. This is an expectation that Wall Street is saying that this thing might just break back above not only $2 or $3 per token, but 6 to 26, 528% increase. Yeah, let's deep dive into this one on the Ujamaa network right here, right now. The old saying is get in where you fit in, and unfortunately we can't get in on the XRP options contracts. I mean, there may be some futures contracts that you can do on TradeView, but when it comes to actually XRP options, it's not yet approved on any of the centralized exchanges. And the decentralized, the regulated exchanges are either too expensive or too dangerous for this country to allow many citizens to get on. And just for the simple fact you can't move that money the way you should be able to. However, nonetheless, we do have the option to purchase XRP tokens themselves. And if the predictions are anywhere close to what they're talking about, from anywhere from going from $1 to 6 or even 26 is what I saw in one report. Yeah, that's crazy, right? But stranger things have happened. We all took advantage of that $3 jump, and yeah, that felt really good. Let's see if that can happen again. I'm going to show you what I did with Coinbase and maybe a couple other exchanges that you can try to check out and go ahead and get you some XRP this time around. So I'm not really going to bore you with how to add funds on the Coinbase app. I guess we could do a quick run through. Anytime you want to buy some cryptocurrency, go ahead and hit that quick buy from your home screen, that is. Let's go home. And let's go ahead and look at our crypto. I've got some XRP. Go ahead and click on the asset. If you want to buy some, you go ahead and do that. Let's see how much you're going to buy. Like 10 bucks. The balances are temporarily unavailable, but you can review your order. I've already bought a good $60 a day. I already had $40 there. Review your order. And it tells you where you're going to get the cash from. You have options with Coinbase. You can go from any one of your USD accounts if you got money funded on there, or your PayPal account. I link mine to my PayPal. You can add a payment method, whatever. But anyway, get some cash on there. Let's get out of here and let's see what we want to do in the advanced section. And go ahead and set some orders up. So I went and got my XRP set up. Do some spot. I got an order form here, and we're going to do a limit buy. Just click on limit. Actually, it's going to be a limit sell. I've already got my XRP there, so let's go ahead and click on sell. And you go ahead and what's the price you're going to set it at. Now here, that's where you put that dollar amount in, but I've already set mine up. I set my price for $6. That's the low estimate of what some of these reports are talking about. So if the price hits $6, it's going to automatically sell. I'm just going to leave it in there at today's market price. It's open. The status is going to be open until you close it. And that would be the total, that $595, if this thing hits $6 a share. Let's go ahead and hit the edit button so you can see that order right here on the profit and loss section. And there you see it. I placed the order today at around 5 o'clock Eastern. And sure enough, it's a limit order. Good until canceled. I bought 100 XRP tokens. I got $100. Cool. My sell price is $6. And if it ever got to $6, that's what I would get off of $100. You can make, almost $500. Pretty freaking cool. It's open. Uphold is even easier, so go ahead and click on markets and select XRP and go ahead and buy. Speculation aside, the last time XRP hit $1, there was a good opportunity for us to wait and see. There was one point in time we waited about 8 or 10 months or more before any positive traction happened. I think we were well over a year by that time, but it eventually did happen. And I think this is a good sign for crypto as a whole. Yeah, bipartisan support, clarification, if you will, with the Clarity Act on what these digital assets are. The only thing I am going to be a little bit critical of is that I think the legislation is going to come too late for us to possibly get into some options trading of the XRP asset class. This is a big letdown for the United States citizens because you can already do that, trading futures and options on XRP transactions in other countries. So those individuals outside of the United States, those individual nations that can trade options, are going to stand to make a lot of money when this happens in October. Let me know what you think about what's going on, and make sure you're getting your XRP in. Feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. Drop by the store, support the channel. We'd love to have that support to keep doing what we're doing. Talk to you later.